How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, did you eat your dinner?
I eat rice, meat, and beans.
Wow. Is it delicious?
Yes,
Wow, that's right. Did you go to school today?
no, I
I
I don't go to school today.
Good job. Let's try my dear again. But what did you do before our class?
I I do in math.
Can you say it again, my dear?
I do in math.
Again.
I do in math.
Oh, you do math?
Yes,
Oh, I see. So you have a homework in math, right?
yes.
Hmm,
My homework.
Okay, can you say this one, my dear? I did my homework in math. Can you see that one, my dear Anna?
I did my homework in math.
Good job, very good. That's right, my dear. Okay. Hello, dear Lily. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today? How are you today, my dear Lily?
I'm happy
Wow, why are you happy? Why are you happy? Why are you happy, my dear?
Yes, apa?
Why are you happy, my dear Lily?
Because I
Because
I want I I
because you what? Why are you happy? What happened?
because
I
I
what? I
I
why are you happy? Why are you happy?
I have
I'm happy
I have
because
a,
what?
a picture news.
Can you say it again? I can't hear. Can you say it again, my dear? I can't hear very well. I can't hear you.
Because I have new t-shirt.
Oh, I see. Wow. Who bought you a t-shirt? Who bought you a t-shirt, my dear? Oh, I see. Okay. Hello, dear
My
Rosie. Good evening. Yes, my dear Lily, who bought you a t-shirt?
mom.
Wow. Wow, I see. What color? What color of your shirts?
Is pink and white.
Wow, I see. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful, my dear? My dear Lily, is it beautiful? Your shirt? Is it beautiful?
My t-shirt's color is pink and white.
Oh, I see. But is it beautiful, your
Yes,
shirt?
it's
E- Yeah, wow. I see. How about you, dear Rosie? Hello, dear Rosie. Good evening. How are you today, my dear Rosie?
I'm fine, thank you.
How about did you eat your dinner today? Did you eat your, sorry. Did you eat, did you eat dinner, my dear Rosie?
Yes, I
Oh,
eat dinner.
good job. What did you eat today? What did you eat, my dear Rosie? Hello, my dear Rosie. What did you eat?
I dry and meat.
Wow, I see. How about you, dear Lily? What did you eat today? My dear Lily, what did you eat?
I eat chicken and pizza.
Wow, I see. That's why you are happy. Okay, so my dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie, are you ready for our class today?
Yes.
Okay. So we will going to continue our class about the menu. Okay. Just wait a minute. Okay. So my dear Lily, my dear Anna, you have to write the drink. Okay, you have to rearrange the correct words for this one, my dear. Okay. Dear Lily, what is this? Can you please rearrange this word?
Is water.
Good job. Very good, my dear Lily. How about you, dear Rosie? Next, can you please rearrange, sorry. Can you please rearrange the word?
Is Yeah.
Can you see it again?
Is vui.
Okay, again, my dear Rosia. Okay,
Is vui.
good job. Very good, my dear Rosie. Again, juice. Can you say that one, my dear, again? Juice.
Okay, juice.
Good job. Very good. Okay, dear Anna, next.
Milk.
Good job. That's right, my dear. Milk. Very good. Next.
Milk.
Very good. Next is this cafe. You can get your drinks from this. How many different drinks can you get? Okay, next, my dear Lily. What do you think is this word? My dear Lily? My dear Lily, what do you think this word? Can you say it again, my dear Lily?
Lemonade.
Again?
It's lemonade.
Very good. Good job, my dear Lily. Okay, wait. I will going to... Okay. Lemon. Okay. So, my dear Rosie, the last word.
Is hot chocolate.
Yes, that's right, my dear Rosie. Good job. Okay. Next, what would you like for lunch? My dear Anna, what would you like for lunch?
I would like chicken for lunch.
Yes, very good. How about you, dear Rosie? What would you like for lunch? My dear Rosie, what would you like for lunch? My dear Rosie, what would you like for lunch?
I would like I would like
I would like what?
I would like
What would you like?
I would like would like
What lunch? What do you want for lunch?
I would like it for lunch.
Okay. Yes, good job. Okay, my dear Lilia, what would you like for lunch?
I would like pizza for lunch.
Wow, it's so good job, my dear. Very good. You did a great job. Okay. So, my dear, if they want ask you, what would you like for lunch? So, you have to answer, I would like chicken, meat, or anything food for lunch. Okay. My dear Anna, would you like eggs and tomatoes? What do you want to say? What do you want to answer?
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay, good job. How about you, dear Rosie? Would you like eggs and tomatoes? My dear Rosie?
Yes, please.
Good job. How about you, dear Lily? Would you like eggs and tomatoes?
No, thank you.
Yes, good
No,
job, my dear.
thank you.
Very good. Okay, if someone asks you what would you like anything food or tomato, so you have to say yes, please. Or if you say no, you have to say no. Thank you. Okay, my dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie. Okay, next. My dear Lily, Anna, and Rosie, you have to listen carefully to the audio, and you have to tick check if they want that lunch for today's. Okay, my dear? Oh, okay. My dear Anna, now what would you like for lunch? You have to say, you have to answer this one, my dear.
One, three, one, seven.
You have to say your two menus that you want to eat.
Is fish and meat today. And have some chicken too.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Next, my dear Lily. Now, what would you like for lunch?
I like pizza and and I have some too.
Yes, good job. Okay, how about you, dear Rosie? What would you like for lunch? You have to choose here, my dear. Today's menu.
I fish and carrot today. And can I have some ice cream too?
Yes, that's right, my dear Rosie. Good job. You did a great job. Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So we will going to talk about the kitchen in the picture, my dear. Look at this. This is a kitchen. The boy is eating. Okay. My dear Anna, where are the pencils?
The pencil in front of the book.
Okay. Okay. My dear, you have to say this one. Wait. Hmm. The The pencil is on the table. Can you say that one, my dear Anna?
The pencil is on the table.
Good job. That's right, my dear. Okay. Next, my dear Lily, where are the oranges?
My orange they are on the table.
Okay, good job. Very good. Or the orange or the orange
The orange
is
on the
what do you call this one?
A
Okay, you can say this one, my
in
dear. The orange is on on the bowl. Can you say that one, my dear Lily?
the orange is on the bowl.
Very good. That's right, my dear Lily. Okay, next. Dear Anna, how many books are there?
There are 3 books.
Yes, that's right, my dear Anna. Okay, next. What's the bird doing? What's the bird doing, my dear Lily? Hmm? My dear Lily?
The bus is the bus bus is
Okay, again, my dear.
is
The bird is
Mary
my dear Lily.
is Mary.
Can you please read this one, my dear? What's the bird doing?
The
The
bus
bird.
is
Good job. That's right, my dear Lily. Okay. Good job. You did a great job, my dear Lily and Anna. Oh, where's Rosie? Okay. So, my dear, you have to listen and draw the lines. Hmm? Okay. So that's all for that lesson, my dear. We will go to our next lesson. A colorful house, my dear. Okay. What color, my dear Lily, of your house? My dear Lily, what color of your house?
my col my house color is red, yellow, blue, and in brown.
Okay, very good. Okay, again, my dear, the color of my house is or are the color of our house are what color there, Lily? Again? Oh, sorry. The color. My dear Lily, the color of our house are red. Okay, I think you, Anna, what is the color of your house?
The color of our house are red, yellow, blue, black, green, orange.
Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. How about your house? What color of your house?
The color of our house are blue, yellow, yellow, brown, blue, and red.
Yes, very good. Wow, good job, my dear. You have a lot of color in your house. Okay, so my dear, we will going to talk about the vocabulary, grammar, exercise, and we will have a game. Okay. Okay, my dear Lily, what is this? My dear Lily, what's this?
Living room.
Very good. That's right, my dear. Next, my dear Anna.
Room.
Very good. Next, my dear Lile, what is this?
Bedroom.
Very good. Again, my dear, this is bedroom. Can you
Bedroom.
say? Okay, very good. Next, my dear Anna, what is this?
Kitchen.
Okay, can you say it again, my dear? This is a kitchen.
It is a kitchen.
Yes, good job. Very good, my dear Anna. Dear Lilia, what is this? My dear Lilia, what is this?
Living room.
Can you say it again, my dear Lily?
Living room.
Okay, again. This is a dining room.
Dining room.
Very good. Good job, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, what is this?
Is a garden.
Yes, very good, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Next, my dear Lily. Lily? Okay, my dear Lily. Can you please
Garden. Garden.
okay. My dear Lily, can you please put some letter for this bed? What? Bed, dear Lily?
Bedroom.
Okay.
ROOM.
My dear Lily and Anna, can you please rejoin again to my Zoom?
Yes.
Okay. See you, my dear Lily and Anna.
See.
And